ओम क्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। नवमपाठपर्यन्तम् अस्माभिः दृष्टम्। अद्य दशमपाठात् आरभ्य सर्वलकार रूपाणि धातोः कर्मणि प्रयोगश्च पश्यामः। काकः शाखायाम् उपविशति। उपपूर्वक विश् धातुः सकर्मकः सकर्मकः वा अकर्मकः वा?
अकर्मक गुरुजी।
अकर्मकः न कर्म अकर्मकः अकर्मक धातुः। उपपूर्वक विश् धातु अपि अकर्मक धातुः एव। उपविशति लट् कर्तरि। कुत्र उपविशति काकः? शाखायाम् इति
सप्तमी
अधिकरण शाखा इति अधिकरणम् अधिकरणकारकत्वात् सप्तमी विभक्तिः। शाखायां काकः उपविशति इति लट् लकार लट् कर्तरि। कर्मणि उपविश्यति। कर्मणि भवति वा? कर्म अभावत्वात् धातुः अकर्मकत्वात् भावे एव। भावे प्रयोगे शाखायाम्
उपविश्यतु काकेन
शाकेन उपविश्यते। लट् कर्मणि शाखायां काकेन उपविश्यते। लङ् कर्मणि काकः शाखायाम्
उपविशत्
अविशत् अविशताम् अविशन् उपपूर्वक उपाविशत्। काकः शाखायाम् उपाविशत्। भूते तवतु यस्
तिष्ठवान्
उपविष्टवान्। काकः शाखायाम् उपविष्टवान्। लङ् कर्मणि शाखायां काकेन कर्मणि इत्युक्ते भावे शाखायां काकेन
उपविश्यते
विषि
उपाविश्यते
भविष्यत
उपाविश्यत
अविष्यत
उपाविश्यत अविष्यत अविष्येत अविष्यन्त उपाविश्यत राइट भूतेत्थ
उपविष्टः
उपविष्टम
उपविष्टं काकेन उपविष्टम्
शाकायां काकेन
उपविष्टम्
उपविष्टम लोट्कर्तरी
काकः उपविशतु
उपविशतु
शाकायां काकः उपविशतु
उपविशतु
कर्मणि
काकेन उपविश्यताम्
विष्यताम् उपविश्यताम्
काकेन उपविश्यतां शाकायां लिङ्कर्तरि
उपविशेत्
उपविशेत्
काकः शाकायाम् उपविशेत्
विषयते
लिङ्कर्मणि
उपविश्यत
एत
काकेन उपविश्यत
उपविश्येत शाकायाम् उपविश्येत एत येयातां एरट् द्वितीयवाक्यं सः दिवा दिवा इति
डे टाइम
सप्तमी
अव्ययं पदं सप्तमी दिवा अव्ययं दिवा सः दिवा आकाशे डयते नक्तं नीडे वसति अत्र वाक्यद्वयमस्ति सः सः काकः दिवा आकाशे डयते नक्तं नीडे वसति इति लट् कर्तरि कर्मणि
तेन
डयते
तेन
तेन
दीयते
दीयते
धातु डी धातु दीयते तेन दीयते आकाशे आकाशे अधिकरण दिवा अभि तेन काकेन आकाशे दिवा दीयते काकः नक्तं नीडे वसति
उष्यते
वेरी गुड उष्यते काकेन नक्तम् अव्ययं नक्तं नीडे अधिकरण नीडे नक्तं नीडे उष्यते वस् धातु सकर्मक वा अकर्मक वा
अकर्मक गुरुजी
अकर्मकः दीयते अपि डी धातु अपि अकर्मकः एव दीयते भावे प्रयोगे भावे प्रयोगः एव भवति लङ् कर्तरि सः दिवा आकाशे
अटयत्
अडयत्
डी धातु आत्मनेपदी
अडयत
अडयत अडयत नक्तं नीडे
अवसत्
अवसत् नक्ते नीडम् अवसत् इति लङ् कर्म लङ् कर्तरि कर्मणि ओके क्षम्यतां भूते तव तु सः दिवा आकाशे
दयितवान्
नाट् दयितवान् कथं दयितवान् भवति
उड्डितवान् उड्डयन्
डी प्लस् तव तु
दीतवत्
दीतवान् दीतवान्
दीतवान्
दीतवन्तौ दीतवन्तः दीतवन्तं दीतवन्तौ दीतवतः दीतवान् डी प्लस् तव तु दीतवान् एव दीतवान् डी धातुः 1 minute because dayitavan seems to be something which is possible, so interesting. Ditavan D dhatu ding dihayasa gatau dvadigana धातुः आत्मनेपदी धातुः दयितवान् इति रूपमस्ति ओके दयितः दयितवान्
सेट् धातु गुरुजी
सेट् एव डी प्लस् इतवत् निष्ठायाः कित्वात् निषेधात् गुणः भवति दयितः There's a sutram, in fact. Nishta Sheen. Right, that sutra. 1 to 19. I'll check that sutram later. There's a when Nishta Pratyaya follows and Set. Then Setaha Nishtayaha Vitta Nishedat Gunaha Bhavati. It's a special one. You can note this. If the D become De, because D plus Itavat, Ivato Pratyaya is Idyapi Pratyaya Kitavati Tatapi Gunaha Bhavati Eva. That's a special rule for this. Okay. We can note the dhatus. Shing dhatu, Svid dhatu, Mid dhatu, Shvid dhatu, Drish dhatu. You know, this dhatu, Shvidi, Drishaha, Nishtayam.
Can you write it, Guruji? Type it,
1 minute.
please.
Yeah, just a minute. I'll do it. Just a minute. Let me confirm whether that is a root. So this is interesting. This is Daitavan, similarly Shing dhatu also. Let me check it. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 19. 1, 2, 19. Just a minute. The wind. Set Nishta dhatu when follows Drish dhatu, then Uttapada Bhavadi Parnamayo Invitarasya Untacha. Nishta iti yoga vibhaham anubhipragamya anyatrapi kvachit set Nishtayaha Vitta Nishedat Guna Adeshaya Gosataha Dayitaha Dayitandupam Parayanikaha Sadhayanti. Okay, so I'll write. Maybe I will write in our file, Karmani Prayoga. I'll write it in this file. You see, you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
So D dhatu and also some more dhatus also. All these are some special dhatu. D plus tavatu. Yadyapi pratyaha arti bhavati tatapi, and if it is a set also. Okay. When a set nishta pratyaya follows. Then a set nishta pratyaya, not kit, yes. The set nishta pratyaya will not be deemed to be kit after these dhatus, some dhatus, like shing dhatu. I'll write the dhatus. Shing dhatu is one dhatu. Shing shete, right? Then swid dhatu, to sweat. Then mid dhatu, to melt. Then kshvid. Then drish also is drishaha. Drish, drish dhatu, drish. Okay, all these dhatus, when nishta pratyaya follows, setaha, when nishta set pratyaya follows, they will not be deemed to be kit. D is not there, but D is also to be included. Though it is not mentioned, they say D also can be included. And D dhatu being a set dhatu, therefore itavat, itagama comes. And pratyaya can cause angakarya, guna angakarya. Angasya ante ikvarnaha asti, gunadeshan kurutva de plus itavat. So de plus itavat, then ayadi sandhi, daitavat, the rupam. Daitavan, daitavanto, daitavantaha, this note. Iti rupam daitavan. Okay. So this is they become dai, then daitavan. Understand? Another also is that this is one form. Another is interesting. That is, we have not seen that rule, but anyway, when dhatu, right? When dhatu is followed by, when the dhatu ikaranta ukaranta dhatu is followed by a pratyaya beginning with a vowel, then the dhatu ikara will be replaced by. It will be replaced by D. That is, please note, when ikaranta dhatu or ukaranta dhatu followed by ajadi pratyaya, the ikara will be replaced by yang. Yang means it's adesha, whose content is E. Ukara dhatu will be replaced by uvang, whose content is U. This is an angakarya. So therefore, here it will become D, E, D, D tavat. This is another possible. So E plus E, akasavane dirgha should supposed to happen, but there is a one rule which says specifically when ikaranta ukaranta dhatu when followed by ajadi pratyaya, then ikara, that ivarnanta ikara means E or E will be replaced by yang. Yang means whose content is E only, and uvarnanta dhatu will be replaced by U. So therefore you have this form. Okay. So therefore this is another form. Anyway, this form, if you don't understand now, it's okay, because this is by another rule, achishnu dhatu bruvang yang uvanga, that we have not seen. Don't worry. That time will come, that time we will see. In fact, I can tell you that also it's another thing. You know this dhatu, ab dhatu, ab dhatu, latlakara rupam,
Apnoti.
apnoti, apnutaha,
Apnuvanti.
apnuvanti, right?
Hmm.
Apnoti, apnutaha, apnuvanti. Apnoti, apnuvanti. You take this apnuvanti form. The ab dhatu belongs to ninth gana. Okay. So this I am explaining to explain this. Okay. Ab dhatu, ninth gana, fifth gana, not ninth gana. A plus no plus anti, right? Prathama purusha bhagavachana rupam apnuvanti. Ab dhatu. Ab gana vikarana is shnu, fifth gana. Now, A plus shnu being sarvadhataka, it is apit, and no angakarya possible also. Therefore, you have apnu plus anti. Now, apnu plus anti, what sandhi supposed to happen?
U plus A.
U plus A is
Yeah.
U plus A, what sandhi? Sangitayam ikaha yanaha achi, ikvarna followed by ach. Therefore, yan sandhi, right? Therefore, U will be replaced by ukarasya sthane
Bakara.
Bakaraha. Then Vanti. This is what you're supposed to get. But this is not the form. Apnuvanti is a form.
Hmm.
Means this is a apnu, shnu, ending with u. This also it is there as part of the rule.
Hmm.
That is the dhatu with the gana vikarana pratyaya shnu. This also to be considered. Okay, here I get example of dhatu ending with e or u. Here with the gana vikarana I am saying this u. So apnu, uvarna is followed by pratyaya beginning with vowel. Therefore,
Yes.
this u must be replaced by
Uvang.
uvang means u.
U.
U plus anti apnuvanti. This is how you get apnuvanti.
Hmm.
The sutra not required, but anyway, I'm just giving. Achi, nu, dhatu, dhruvam. Achishnu dhatu dhruvam. Yoho. Yoho means ikara vakara yoho. Sorry, ikara, ivarnanta, ikara ukara yoho. So, ikara ukara yoho. Yang uvangau. That's a sutra, in fact. Okay. That is that shnu. Shnu is gana vikarana. That is example I gave. So, what is yavoho? So, it's a compound. Okay. E plus U, what do you get? E plus U is, E will be
Yavo.
replaced by
Yav.
Yakara. Ya plus U, U.
Vakara.
Like Guru Shabda. This
Hmm.
is Dvivachanam. Shashti Dvivachanam. This Adesha. Shashti Dvivachanam is Guru Voho, Yuvoho. Okay.
Hmm.
It means Ivarnanta, Uvarnanta, Dhatoho. Also, for the Gana Vikarana, which is ending with Shnu, those that also Shnu, when followed by vowel, then the Ivarnanta must be replaced by Yang. That is Ivarna, Ikara, Ikara, right? Should be replaced by Yang, and Uvarna must be replaced by Uvam. This is a rule. So this is very specifically is there, and this comes in fact later. This Angakarya, therefore this must be done, not Sandhi. You do Sandhi, then this sutra when you will apply this rule. This Angakarya. Therefore, this must be applied. Therefore, apnuvanti you get. Okay. Anyway, this sutram is not important. Just to understand, that's why I gave this Shnu example. I gave that's why Shnu also. It's no, it is there the sutra. That is why Shnu I'm saying. Vishnu dhatu. Similarly, dhatu also. Dhatu example. This is a dhatu example. D plus tavatu.
Right.
There is dhatu is followed by ajadi pratyaya. Therefore, E plus E. Akas savana dirgha sandhi is supposed to happen, but that is negated by this rule, which is Sangakarya. Therefore, what will happen? E will be replaced by E.
Right. Hmm.
Yang adesha. If U is there, Uvang, E is there, Yang.
Hmm.
Yang Uvang means here we have to understand Nakara ith letter, then Yakara also, that A also ith letter, Anunasika, the content is E. Similarly, Uvang. Okay, this is Apavada. Can say in one way is Apavada to Yen Sandhi. In fact, it is not even Apavada. The Angakarya is always stronger. So Angakarya to be done and only Sandhikarya. That is a sequence of operation. Okay. So this is another form. Okay. Anyway, all these are extra. Okay. You just note this. So Ditavat is another form also. It is seen. And Daitavat, Gunadesham Kurtva. Daitavat, Yangadesham Kurtva. Ditavat Api Bhavati. This is also possible. Some people say Ditavat. Some people say Daitavat. Therefore, both are okay. Understand?
Yes. Sorry,
So
Guruji.
the
Ditavat and Daitavat.
Ditavat, Daitavat.
Oh, that's also there. I misread.
Okay. Daitavat, Digitavat. So Daitavan is the right form. So that should be taken. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
Yes.
Next.
Okay. Even though the rule that Itagama, that is Sate Nishta will be deemed to be Akit by this rule, by a rule is there, which mentions these only 5 dhatus, but D dhatu also, other dhatus also can be included. Iti Parayanikaha, some people they say, so therefore Daitavan. Daitavati is Rupam. It is not Daitavan, please note. So this is interesting to be noted. Okay. Fine, coming back to the exercise now. So therefore, Sahadiva Akashe Bhute.
Daitavan.
Bhute Kartari.
Daitavan.
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 Daitavan Atava Ditavan.
Daitavan.
Ditavan.
Nakte Nide
Ushitavan.
Ushitavan.
Ditavan.
Now, Lang Karmani. Lang
Tena.
Karmani.
Tena diyate. Diyate.
Adiyata Lang Karmani, okay.
Adiyata.
Adiyata. Tena Kakena Diva Akashe Adiyata Naktam Nide.
Ushit.
Avasat.
Avasyata.
Avasyata.
No. Ushyata, Oshyata, it would be, right?
Ushyata.
Samprasanam happens.
Oshyata.
Ushyata become Oshyata then, right? How become Oshyata? A plus U. A plus U. It is Oshyata or Aushyata? Very interesting this also. Tell me.
Oshyata.
It is Vasdhatu Ushyate, right? It is Kartari Ushyate.
Yes.
Kartari Ushyate. And Karmani it would be that Va become that Ushyata, then
Ushyata.
Aushita, it is
then
Aupadesika.
Atagama will come, right?
Guruji.
Atagama then, what will be the form then?
A plus U. Oh.
Atagama will come or Atagama will come? My question is that.
Atagama.
Once the dhatu becomes us become us, it is Ajadi dhatu.
Ajadi.
Therefore, what we do, Atagama only. Atagama should be done, right? Then, therefore, then what will happen? A plus U.
Oh.
A plus U must be. Oh, it must be, right?
Yes,
But
Guruji.
there is Pararupaha Ekadesha Bhavati. Okay, this is interesting again. One more rule I have to tell you. Okay. Anyway, I tell you, it is all not so. I mean, you cannot remember everything, I know, but still I tell you. See, the form I will write here. It should be Aushyata, but doesn't happen. See, Dhatu is Vasdhatu. Vasdhatu plus Yak plus Te, Lat Karmani would be Vasdhatoho Samprasana Bhavati. Vasdhatu is Samprasana Dhatu. I think you know it very well, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, Vakara will become Ukara, then Ukara is Samprasaranam, followed by the I is their inverse. So that A plus U will be U. All those things you know, Sandhi. And Sakara is what Sakara it is? How does it become? How does it become? Sakara become?
Padanta Sakara.
Padanta Sakara.
No, it has a rule, Guruji. Three of them.
Exactly. Very good. Shas Dhatu, Vas Dhatu, Ghas Dhatu. 3 dhatu I told.
Yeah.
When it is preceded by Innarku, the Sakara also become Murdhane Sakara. I really appreciate. Very good. You remember that? 3 dhatus I told.
Yeah.
I don't know how many of you remember. 3 dhatus. Remember? 3 dhatus.
Yes,
So these are.
Shadu.
One is
Ghaslu and Shas.
Shas Dhatu, Vas Dhatu, and Ghaslu. Ghaslu Dhatu. Ghas means Ghas. Okay, I can take Ghaslu. The 3 dhatus also, where the Sakara is not a Pratyaya Sakara or Adesha Sakara, but still the Sakara will undergo Shattam. When the conditions are fulfilled. The condition being in or ku precedes. Okay. Here, because of samprasaranam, vakarasya sthane ukara adeshatvat, sakarasya पूर्वं किमस्ति वर्णः इक्वर्णः अस्ति यतः षत्वम् उच्यते. Now coming back to lung form. So lung is, I'm just doing lung kartari. Lung kartari. So vas plus yak plus, this is let, this is let karmani, this is lung karmani. So first is, it will undergo samprasaranam, right? Samprasaranam krutva, this will become
Ushya.
ushyata. Now this is ajanta dhatu, it is not, sorry, it is ajadi dhatu, it is not haladi dhatu. Therefore, agama must be
Art.
agama.
Dirgha.
In fact, agama we should add first, right? But what agama? Because of samprasaranam first it will be done. Samprasaranam is changes the very first letter of the dhatu. Okay, and you see, the based on the first letter of the dhatu itself is what happens. The agama is ordained. Suppose in the beginning itself, suppose I give at agama, say for example, I'm giving at. Now because of samprasanam, vakara become ukara, then at is removed and she had to place at only. At is gone.
Yeah.
You should not ordain at. Now it is ajadi dhatu. The dhatu is just changed. It is a dhatu only. Only one letter is changed, but that letter brings the atagama, natu atagama. Okay. Now a plus u, we know a plus u is, what will happen generally?
Okar. Guna, Guruji.
A plus u is attached by that rule. Vriddhi supposed to happen, right? A plus u is vriddhi supposed to happen. If vriddhi happens, what form you will get? A plus u. Therefore, you will have aushyata, right? You will have aushyata. But that doesn't happen. So what happens is, you will have aushyata iti anishta rupam. That will not happen. What will happen is, this shatvam happens later. Okay, so let me keep sakara as it is now. Shatvam will do at the end because it is in the last end, last tripadi, last. Now art plus us plus yata. Here we have one sandhi. This is a sandhi. After sandhi, finally we can do shatvam. Okay, what is that sandhi? If you ask, what is that sandhi rule? When us, right? Us follows. Us follows what? Apadanta avarna. Here the agama is a. I write like this: a plus us plus yata. When us follows, us is a us only. Anything it can be us. I mean, anything can be us means it can be us because us could be a dhatu or us could be a pratyaya. You remember the us in the pratyaya? Where is the pratyaya us? You remember the pratyaya? Where is the pratyaya? Where is the us?
In the lid lakara, something
No.
you said can be used.
No. Us is there. It is there in the pratyaya, bhavet, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu. Here us is there, in fact. Iyuhu you see, right? Actually, it is iya, okay. Then this iya, in fact, I say it is short, anyway, doesn't matter. I take it as common for iya and then followed by us, actually. Okay. This us. That alone becomes EU. Okay, that alone EU.
Kara plus who.
Yeah, here the us is a pratyaya. Okay, that's why here bhave yuhu, kuriye yuhu iti. Okay, but here it is a dhatu. Here it is a dhatu. Therefore, I said whatever. I mean, from whichever the us may be derived. Doesn't matter. Here us is from the dhatu, there us is of the pratyaya. Point is, when us follows, very specifically, a sandhi rule is there. These are all special sandhi rule. I didn't cover in the beginning. Why? You will not understand. Now time has come, so slowly this will come up. Already I taught you many sandhi rules. All they are, in fact, advanced sandhi rules also. Now this also you need to load in your head. Okay. When us follows, what apadanta avarna. Here at agama. This is not upasarga. Okay. Therefore, this is not a padam. At being an agama, it is not a padam, and it is ending with what letter? I mean, it's ending means it is a final first letter and it's a final letter. It is something like asking who is your first son when only one son is there, is Devadatta. He is the first son and the last son. Okay. So therefore, here we have to take the word which is not a padam or any shabda. No. Ending with avarna, akara or akara, when followed by us. Right? When followed by us, then what will happen? Pura parayogo sthane, a plus u will be replaced by parasam, para letter. Pura parayogo sthane pararupaha adeshaha bhavati. Pararupa is what? U. Therefore, a plus u will become u only. Us plus yatha. Okay. This is one special rule. And here Shattum. Now we can do Shattum Ushyata.
Ushyata.
So when followed by us, when apadanta avarna followed by us, pura parayogo pararupaha adeshaha bhavati. Therefore, sandhi kritva ushyata iti rupam. You may see here, in the case of pratyaya also actually it is us. I said iya plus us. That u is preceded by yakara, not a consonant. Therefore, that is pararupa doesn't happen. Okay. Just a melanam. E plus us. In some place it happens. Here you see. Yeah, here it is Baba, then Babe Yuhu. Here also not that. Okay. In some Kriya Padam, we will see that that's happening. Pura Parayoho Pararupaha Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, you will have us. Not here, in some places. Okay. Fine. So that is for the pratyaya. And here it is a dhatu. So you can note this. What is new sandhi rule? Usi pare. I just write in Saṃskṛtam. Usi pare. Pare means follows what? Apadanta avarnat. Okay. When apadanta avarna means followed by us. Then what happens? Purva parayogo sthane pararupaha adeshaha. That's what this is. Therefore, not aushyata. It's interesting. Aushyata. Okay. Please note. So, any new things comes up. Daitavan one thing, and the second thing is one sandhi rule also. Please note. Generally, this sandhi rule I will teach when we do the vyutpatti of the kriya padam, that because there only us is comes. But here the also us comes. Vasdhatu becomes us. Therefore, the sandhi rule can be applied. Understand? So therefore, it is not aushyata. If you say aushyata up to aushyata, with whatever knowledge you have, it is correct. But you can add this sandhi rule also now and make it not vriddhi, but pararupa. A plus u is not au, it is u alone, ushyata. Okay, fine. So therefore, naktam nide tena ushyata. Bhute lang ta pratyaya kakena ushitam. Okay, kakena ushitam. Then next sentence now. Te varsha. Okay, bekaha vapishu vasanti. See, vasanti also here. Vapishu. Adhikarana. Vapishu bekaha vasanti.
Guruji, we do lot and
oh, sorry, we didn't. Kshamitam. Okay. Saha diva akashe lot kartari.
Kartari.
It will be
Dayatu.
Dayatu. No, no, no.
Dayatu.
Atmanepadi. Te
Dayatam.
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 Dayatam. Naktam Nide.
Dayatam.
Dhatu is Vasdhatu.
Vasatu.
Vasati.
Vasatu.
Vasatu. Vasatu
Hmm.
only. It is Parasmepadi. Vasatu. We are doing load Kartari. Okay. Karmani.
Guruji, I missed the first one. Guruji. Lot.
See.
Dayatam.
Dayatu.
First is one is
Dayatam.
Dayatam. First one
Dayatam.
is Dayatam. Atmanepadi Dayatam. Okay. First one is Dayatam, right? D plus Shap plus D plus, not Shap. Yeah. That is Shap only. D plus Shap plus D become Di, then Di plus Itam, Dayatam. Not Itam. Di plus Tam. Tam, Itam, and
Tam.
Tam. D plus Shap plus Tam. D will become Day become Di, Daya, Dayatam. So Lord Kartari, Saha, Diva, Akashe, Dayatam. It is
Naktam
Lord
Nide
Kartari.
Vasatu.
Yeah, Naktam Nide Vasati. Vasati is T is at Parasmepadi. Therefore Vasatu. This is Lord Kartari. Now Karmani we are doing. Tena Diva Akashe would be D plus Yatam becomes
Diyatam.
Diyatam. Okay, Diyatam. Right? Naktam Nide Saṃskṛtam will happen.
Ushyatu.
Ushyatu no. Ushyatam. Right?
Ushyatam. Ushyatam.
Ushyatam.
Diyatam Ushyatam. Simple. Lord Karmani. Then Ling Kartari. Saha Diva Akashe. Ling Kartari.
Diyet. Diyeta.
Atman. D become Daya. Dayeta.
Dayeta.
Dayeta. Dayeyatam. Dayeran. D plus
Dayeran.
Shap plus
Dayatam.
Eta. Right? D
Dayet.
will become Daya. Daya plus Eta. Dayeta. Ling Kartari would be Dayeta. Naktam Nide Saha.
Vaset.
Vaset. That's simple. Now Karmani would be Tena Diva Akashe
Diyeta.
D plus Yak plus Eta Diyeta.
Diyeta.
Diyeta. Naktam Nide. Plus become Ush. Ushyeta.
Ushyeta.
Usheta.
Diyeta Ushyeta. So that is done. Ling Karmani also done. Okay. Bekaha Vapishu Vasanti. Vapishu Bekaha Vasanti. Let Kartri. Then let Karmani would be Vasanti. Vasdhatu Akarmaka Dhatuhu. Vaikaihi Vapishu.
Ushyam.
Ustatu.
Ushyate only, not Ushyante.
Ushyate. Ushyate.
Ushyate. Let Kartri. Lang Kartari. Bekaha Vapishu.
Avasan.
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 Bhute. Tavatu.
Ushitavantaha.
Usitavantaha.
Ushitavantaha. Bekaha Ushitavantaha Vapishu. Lang Karmani. Bekaha Karmani. Bekaihi Vapishu.
Ushyata.
Ushyata.
Just now we saw. Ushyata.
Ushyata. Ushyata.
Ushyata. Bhute. Ta pratyaya. Bekaihi Vapishu.
Ushita.
Ushitam.
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 Karma Bhavatvat. Napumsaka Pratama Ekavachanam. Ushitam. Then now Ling Kartari. Bekaha Vapishu. Lord Kartari. Kshamita. Lord.
Vasantu.
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 Karmani. Bekahi. Lord Karmani. Bekahi Vapishu.
Ushyatam.
Ushyatam.
Usyatam.
Ling Kartari. Bekaha Vapishu.
Vaseyu.
Vaseyu.
Vaseyuhu.
Vaseyu.
Karmani. Vaseyuhu. Karmani.
Ushyeta.
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 Bekahi Vapishu. Ushyeta.
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 Te Varshasu Ratanti. Varshasu. It is Kala Adhikaranam. Varshasu Te Ratanti. Te Ratanti. कर्तरि
भेकाः
लट्
लट्
भेकाः रटन्ति कर्तरि
ते
लट् कर्मणि लट् तैः
तैः
रट्यते
रट्यते
रट्यते वेरी गुड
रट्यते
रट्यते
लङ् कर्तरि ते
अरटन्
वर्ष
अरटन्
अरटन्
रटन्
अरटन्
भूते क्त प्रत्यय ते
रचितवन्तः
रटितवन्तः
रटितवन्तः लङ् कर्मणि तैः वर्षासु
वर्षासु रट्
अरट्यत
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 रट्यत
भूते क्त
रटित
रटि
तैः वर्षासु
रचितं
रटितं
रटितं
लोट् कर्तरि ते वर्षासु
रटन्तु
रटन्तु
कर्मणि तैः वर्षासु
रच्यताम्
रट्यताम्
रट्यताम् ते वर्षासु लिङ् कर्तरि
रचेयुः
रटेयुः तैः वर्षासु लिङ् कर्मणि
रचेत
रटेत
रट्येत
रट्येत
अयं वेकः भूमौ प्लवते so ayam also is a भूमौ अधिकरण भूमौ प्लवते jumps प्लवते अयं वेकः भूमौ प्लवते लट् कर्तरि कर्मणि
कर्मणि
तेन भेकेन भूमौ प्लव्यते
प्लवते धातु is प्लवते प्लवेते प्लवन्ते it is धातु is भवादिगण धातु भवादिगण आत्मनेपदी धातु प्ल प्लव तो भवादि आत्मनेपदी धातु okay
प्लव्यते
so धातु
प्लव्यते
okay one minute dhatu let me check dhatu is pla love dhatu va plavate plavete plavante kara lakara must be we check the dhatu in the first gana plavate plavete plavante vi dhatu and bhatvan dhatu plus yeah label interesting this dhatu is not given at all here just a minute let me find out vi gatau plavate plavete plavante in the or here you have not have given the gana can you check the dhatu kosha yeah dhatu kosha I also check dhatu is plavate let me check the dhatu kosha I think the dhatu is plung dhatu, must be. Plu becomes Astakana. Atma. Plu become plo. Yeah, po plus a, then plav, plava, plavate. Okay. So gatau, gatyartaka dhatu. You see my screen, right?
Plung. Yeah.
Yeah,
Then
plung is a
plung.
dhatu. To go,
Gatau.
anit dhatu. Plavate, plavete, plavant. That is a dhatu. Okay. And just find out the dhatu. Plu dhatu. Plu will become plu plus shab. Plu will become plo. Plo plus au, plav. Then plava. Then atmanepadi. Plavate, plavete, plavante iti rupam. Okay. So lat kartari, plavate. So therefore here, ayam bekaha bhumo plavate. Then ayam will become, ayam is what shabda? Idam shabda. Anena, not tena. Anena, bekena, bhumau.
Plav.
Dhatu is plu dhatu.
Plu plus yak
Plu-
plus.
It
Pluyate.
is, that will become pluyate, dirgha. By the rule. What is the rule? Varnanta dhatu becomes dirgha. Pluyate ta. Here. Stu becomes pluyate. Similarly, let me add this dhatu also. So becomes, it is plu. Plung dhatu, atmanepadi. Therefore, plu becomes plu. Pluyate. Therefore, pluyate, pluyate, pluyante. iti rupa. Okay. So, therefore, here, let karmani would be pluyate. Anena bekena bhumau pluyate. Okay. Now, lang kartari. Ayam bekaha bhumau. Bhumau. Aplava. Aplavata.
Aplavata.
Plavata.
Aplavata. Simple. Aplavata only. Okay. Bhute tavatu.
Plutavan.
Plutavan.
Plu plus becomes, it is plu only, not plutavan. Plutavan. Why plutavan? Plu plus tavatu plutavan.
Plutavan.
Ayam bekaha bhuma plutavan. Okay. Then lang karmani. Anena bekena bhumau.
Bhumau.
Apluyata.
Pluyata.
Apluyata.
It is follows. Therefore, that will become pluya, pluyata, apluyata. Right?
Apluyata.
Apluyata.
Dirgha.
Anena bekena apluyata.
Apluyata. Dirgha.
Bhuteta.
Utrita.
Anena bekena bhumau plutam.
Plutam.
Okay. Ayam bekaha. Now load. Ayam
Is it
bekaha
Plutam or Plutaha?
plutam.
Plutam. Napumsakalinga.
It is plutam. Okay.
Thank you.
Now next one.
Note.
Load kartari. Ayam bekaha bhumau. Load would be
Plavatam.
Plavatam.
lavatam.
Plavatam.
Yeah. Tam lavatam lavetam lavantam plavatam lavetam plavantam. Load karmani would be
Pluyatam.
Pluyatam.
pluyatam. Yes, good, very good. Pluyatam, pluyetam, pluyantam.
Yes.
Anena bekena pluyatam. Link kartari would be ayam bekaha bhumau
Plaveta.
Plaveta.
laveta.
Plaveta.
Karmani would be anena bekena
Pluyeta.
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 Okay. Interesting. This is then. Latasu kusumani vikasanti.
Vikasanti.
Akaramaka dhatu eva. Latasu. Fine. Kusumani vikasanti. Kusumani. Napumsakalinga. Kusumani vikasanti. Lat kartari. Lat karmani.
Kusumani.
Not kusumani.
Maihi.
Maihi
Kusumaihi.
vikasyate.
Kusumaihi vikasyate.
Pasyati.
Lang kartari. Latasu kusumani
Avikasat.
Vikasan.
avikasan.
Vikasan.
Vikasan. And bhute ekta would be
विकसितवन्तः
विकसितवन्तः, yes, विकसितवान्, विकसितवन्तौ,
विकसितवन्तः
विकसितवन्तः. So पुष्पाणि विकसितवन्तः. Okay, then लङ् कर्मणि
Avikasata.
अविकसत
कुसुमैः अविकसत
विकसत
अविकस्यत.
अविकस्यत
विकस्यत
B is व्यकस्यत, not sorry, अविकस्यत. क्षम्यतां. B
विकस्यत.
plus A
व्यकस्यत,
plus व्यकस्यत.
व्यकस्यत
व्यकस्यत
Okay, व्यकस्यत. Okay, not yata. व्यकस्यत because participatory. V plus A plus kas plus ya plus takar. So akasyat, vyakasyat. Vyakasyan, it is not bahubachana also. Okay, so therefore vyakasyan it will be kusumani lang karmani. Are we doing lang
लङ् कर्मणि
लङ् कर्तरि
oh
लङ् कर्तरि
lang kartari we are doing. So latasu
yes.
kusumani
व्यकस्यन् व्यकस्यन्
व्यकस्यन्
विकसन्
not vyakasyan.
कुसुमानि
विकसन्
We are doing lang kartari. Therefore latasu kusumani, it is vyakasan only.
व्यकसन्
Vyakasan, not vyakasyan. From where here comes.
व्यकसन्
Then equivalent only we did vikasitavanta, kusumani vikasita, not vanta, vikasita,
अतः
vikasitavanti. No.
कुसुम
Vikasitavanti. It is napumsakalinga, therefore vikasitavanti. Vikasitavat, vikasitavanti, vikasitavanti. Vikasitavat, vikasitavati, vikasitavanti. Jagat jagati, jaganti shabdavat. So kusumani vikasitavanti. That is bhute ta pratyaya. Please note. So vyakasan is a lang kartari, vikasitavanti is bhute tavatu. Now karmani when you do latasu kusumaihi
व्यकस्यत
vikasyata. Good.
व्यकस्यत
Then latasu kusumaihi bhute
विकसितं
vikasitam.
विकसितं
Latasu kusumani lot kartari
व्यकसन्तु
vikasantu.
विकसन्तु
Lot karmani kusumaihi latasu kusumaihi
विकस्यतां
विकसतां
vikasyatam. Latasu kusumani ling
विकसेयुः
vikaseyugu. Latasu
Vikase-
kusumaihi ling karmani would be
विकस्येत
विकसेत
vikasyeta.
Mm.
Okay. Then vayam tarushu palani pashyamaha. Lat kartari. Karmani asmabihi tarushu
अस्माभिः तरुषु फलानि
palani. Yes. Karmani
दृश्ये
would be no palani. It's a karta now. It's a subject now. Karma is a pratama vibhakti.
दृश्येत
Drishyante.
दृश्यन्ते
दृश्यन्ति
Asmabihi tarushu palani drishyante. Okay.
दृश्यन्ते
Lang kartari. Vayam tarushu palani
अपश्याम
अपश्य अपश्याम
pashyama.
अपश्याम
पश्याम
Bhute ta pratyaya vayam tarushu palani.
अदृश्यन्त
No, drishtavantaha.
दृष्टवन्तः
दृष्टवन्तः
Now lang karmani. Asmabihi tarushu palani
फलानि
अदृश्यन्त
adrishyanta.
अदृश्यत
अदृश्यन्त
Adrishyanta. Then equivalent bhutekta. Asmabihi tarushu palani.
दृष्टानि
Yes.
दृष्टं
Drishtani.
दृष्टानि
Lot would be vayam tarushu palani.
पश्यन्तु
पश्याम
Not pashyantu.
पश्याम
पश्याम
Pashyama.
पश्याम पश्याम
Pashyama. And karmani asmabihi tarushu palani. Drishyanta.
दृश्यन्त
दृश्यन्तां
Then ling vayam tarushu kartari. Vayam tarushu palani.
पश्येम
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 अस्माभिः तरुषु फलानि लिङ्ग
दृश्येरन्
कर्मणि
दृश्येरन्
दृश्येरन्
दृश्येर
दृश्येरन्
दृश्येरन् समुद्रे रत्नानि जायन्ते
समुद्रे
धातु is जन धातु जन become
जन
ja
धातु
जायते
या प्रादुर्भावे दिवादिगण जायते जायते जायन्ते
जयन्ते
रत्नानि जायन्ते
हम्म।
लट् कर्मणि रत्नैः
जायते
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 same the form would look
Hmm.
same only bhava karmano will be same jayate then the lang kartari would be samudre ratnani
अजायन्
अजायन्त
kartari would be
अजायन्त
ajayanta not ajayan ajayanta and bhute ekta pratyaya would be
जनितवन्तः जातवन्तः
yeah jata ta pratyaya so dhatu is ja only not jan sorry dhatu is jan not ja okay Sumita. Dhatu is jan dhatu. Jan alone becomes a ja. So when jan will become ja when followed by chit pratyaya. That's why we say jayate shan pratyaya follows therefore jayate we say right. Jani pradurbhave which is the fourth gana. So fourth gana is the thing is both the parasvipadi atmanepadi form would be I mean the karmani would be same right. Jayate jayate jayante. So that also jayate jayate jayante only right. Fine. Oh we have done langa we are doing langa
लंग लंग
Yeah.
कर्म
lang bhute we are doing ajayanta ratnani ajayanta samudre that is lang karmani
लंग कर्तरी
lang kar
लंग कर्तरी
कर्तरि
अजायन्त
ajayanta okay the lang kartari yeah karmani would be what lang karmani is
अजायत
सेम जायन्त
no sorry jan will become ja when followed by shit pratyaya even in kartari also ratnani jayante fine let kartari let karmani would be ja will become jan when followed by shit pratyaya so yeah janyate it should be janyate okay sorry I said jayate but jayate also another form is there but anyway that form leave it but we'll take it jan as jayate also it is there there's an optionality is given that's okay but forget about the optionality janyate also is correct jayate also is correct only so janyate let us take okay ratnani janyante so let karmani would be samudre ratnani janyante I'm taking jan okay jayante also is correct only but we'll take it dhatu to be jan so that we don't get confused now lang kartari would be samudre ratnani we are doing kartari okay ajayanta
अजायन्त
now karmani would be taking jan to be the dhatu samudre
अजन्यत
samudre ratnaihi
अजन्यत
ajanyanta
अजन्यन्त
Bhagavachana. Sorry, Ajanyata. Shanta. It's only Ajanyata only. Sorry. Ratnaihi. Samudre Ratnaihi Ajanyata. Now, Bhute would be
जातः
जातम
Jan is a dhatu. So therefore it will be there's a rule is that is Jan dhatu that Nakara will be replaced by Akara. That's the rule. So Jan will become Ja now. Therefore Jataha you will get. Okay.
बट रत्नानि जातम गुरुजी
Jatra. Yeah. Samudre Ratnaihi Jatam. Okay. Similarly for Kartari, Kartari we didn't do. Samudre Ratnani, that would be Jatavat becomes Jatavan, Jatavanto, Jatavantaha. Here it is Napumsakalinga, therefore Jatavanti.
Jatavanti.
Please note, I'm writing, okay, this Jadatu is
Jatavanti.
Jatavanti. Napumsakalinga Ratnani.
Okay, guys.
Okay, let me write this. This is a little tricky. The Dhatu is, two forms are there, but we'll take one form. That is, Dhatu is Jan Dhatu, Jan plus Shan plus Protagana, Shan plus Te, Atmani Paridhatu, Jayate. Jan will be replaced by Ja. It's a rule. There is no choice there. Whereas Karmani, we have choice. There, Jan can be replaced by Ja, but we don't replace it. We will take Jan as it is, Janyate. Optional form, we don't need now. So, Janyate. So, and Lang would be Jan plus Atagama will be there. Therefore, Ajanyata or Ajanyata. Yeah, Ajanyata. It will be Ajanyata. I'm just doing Ekavachana. Bhagavachana accordingly. Equivalent form would be, it is Jatavat Jatavaniti. Ja plus Tavatu. Jan plus Tavatu. Jan plus Tavatu Pratyaya. There's a rule. This Nakara will be replaced by Akara. The word becomes Ja. Please note. So there, one rule is there. By that rule, Janasana Khanam. One rule is there. That Nakara when followed by the Kit Pratyaya, I think. Then Nakara of Jan and some other Dhatu also will be replaced by Akara. So Ja, then A plus A becomes Ja. Therefore you get Jatavat. That's how you get Jatavat. Jatavat Pratipadikam, Jatavan, Jatavanto, Jatavantaha iti Pullinge, Napumsakalinge, Jatavat, Jatavati, Jatavanti. Here Ratnani, therefore Jatavanti, Kartari. So Ratnani, Lang Ratnani, Ajanyanta, Bhagavachanam, which is equal to Jatavanti, Jatavat Shabda, Jatavati, Jatavanti. This is what I said. Now, Karmani would be Ratnaihi, what is the form here? It will be Ekavachanam. So that would be
Ajanyata.
Ajanyata, right?
Ajanyata.
Equivalent form is Jatam.
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 Okay, please note this. Right? Another form is, I'm not giving it. This form is okay. So suppose Samudre Ratnaihi Jatam Bhute Tha Pratyaya. Samudre Ratnaihi Ajanyata. That is Lang Karmani. Fine. Lang we have done. Now let us go to the Lot. Samudre Ratnani, Lot Kartari.
Jayantam.
Jayanta Bhagavachanam. Karmani, Samudre Ratnaihi.
Janyatam.
Very good, Janyatam. Ling would be Samudre Ratnani.
Jayeyuhu.
Jayeran.
Jayeran. Yes.
Jayeran.
Samudre Ratnaihi.
Janyeta.
Janyeta.
Very good. Then the last two, let us do quickly. Bhumo Naraha Vasanti. Bhumo Naraha Vasanti. So that becomes that Karmani would be
Naraihi.
Ushyate.
Ushate.
Lang Kartari would be Naraha Avasan. Equivalent Nishta Pratyaya would be.
Ushitavantaha.
Then Lang Kartari Naraihi.
Ushata.
Naraihi becomes Ushyata. Right? Ushyata. Equivalent Bhuteta.
Ushita. Ushitaha.
Ushitam. Naraihi Ushitam. Then Naraha Lotlakara. Bhumau Vasantu. Naraihi Bhumau Karmani.
Ushyatam.
उष्यता
उष्यत
नराः भूमौ लिङ्कर्तरि
वसेयुः
वसेयुः
नरैः भूमौ कर्मणि
उष्येत
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 येत
लास्ट वन देवाः स्वर्गे तिष्ठन्ति धातु इज स्था धातु रिमेंबर
ता धातु
दिस इज लट् कर्तरि कर्मणि देवैः स्वर्गे
तीयते
तीयते
स्थीयते कर्मणि देवाः स्वर्गे
अतिष्ठन्
तिष्ठन्
अतिष्ठन्
अतिष्ठन्
इक्वलेंट निष्ठा प्रत्यय
स्थितवन्तः
वेरी गुड
स्थितवन्तः
कर्मणि कर्मणि देवैः स्वर्गे
ओके
अस्थित स्थीयत
अस्थीयत
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 स्थीयत
भूते प्रत्यय देवैः स्थितम्
स्थितं
स्थित
स्थितं
देवैः स्थितम् लोट देवः स्वर्गे
तिष्ठन्तु
तिष्ठन्तु
देवैः स्वर्गे
स्थीयताम्
तीयताम्
स्थीयताम्
देवाः स्वर्गे लिङ् कर्तरि
तिष्ठेयुः
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 देवैः स्वर्गे
स्थीयेत
तीयेत
येत
वेरी गुड स्टॉप हियर ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांतिः हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवादः गुरुजी।